Hi everybody, how are you today? It's Miranda here with Doing Life, and today in my life I have a Glossybox for you. I have not had Glossybox on my channel for a little bit, but I wanted to bring it back because there is another reason I ordered it, which I'll tell you about on another day. But if you are new to Glossybox and you want to try it for yourself, I will leave a link down below for you. You can save 10%, I believe, off of your first box, and the cost of the box is $21. And usually it is deluxe sample size. So let's get in here and see what this month is bringing us. I have not watched any spoilers, so I know that there's a pull tab somewhere. Alright, so this is what it looks like when you open it up. It does have a little Naked Wines card if you want to try that, and then it comes in this other box. The box is usually pink. Every once in a while we will get a different color box. Sometimes, I think at Valentine's Day last year we got one, like a white one with hearts on it, so that is what the box looks like. And it is a really nice box. I like to keep the box, and if I'm going to mail something, then I have it. Okay, turn y'all just a little bit. There we go. It was bugging me that that spooky in the background was kind of cut off there. Okay, when you take off the lid, it has this nice ribbon detail in the top of it. So we'll undo that. And this right here tells me what is in it. And like most of the other boxes, it does come with this nice tissue paper and a little sticker holding it together. Okay, so that is what the inside of the box looks like. What do you guys think of that? It's pulling my hair. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what is in our box. The first thing that I'm going to pull out is this. It is by Il Mesquite, and it is a mini hydro veil. The featured size is 7 ml, and a full size, if you were to buy it, is $35. It's a gel, a hydrator, and a primer all in one. Say hello to smoother skin with this self-leveling futuristic clear gel. Microalgae, vitamin C, and B3 work together to help maintain the skin's hydration levels, creating a healthy looking, balanced finish. And one thing that I do really like about the little pamphlets in Glossybox is down here, it gives you like little tips. And the tip for this one is never ever skip primer. If you're applying makeup, it helps it last longer. So that's cool. So let's open this up and see what it looks like. So there is the little pot. It kind of reminds me of the Bum Bum cream. And when I open it, there is the gel. That will be nice to try and use. I have not ever used that kind of primer, and I love primer. Right now I'm actually using the e.l.f. primer, the putty primer. Okay, next up I have by Skin Co. Put that right there so you can see the box. It says Roma Truffle Therapy Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gommage. The featured size is 30 ml and a full size is $28. A delicate exfoliating cream. This face gommage features sweet almond oil, gentle apricot seed powder, and a unique exclusive black winter truffle extract to a powerful free radical scavenger that reduces the signs of aging. Oh, the tip is, with the focus on regimens trending, order is important. Exfoliate after using your cleanser or cleansers and before using a toner or a sheet mask. So let's open this up and see what it looks like. this is what the bottle looks like. And we'll see if it has a safety seal. No, it doesn't. Smells coconutty, kind of. Smells like the beach. I want to go to the beach. Maybe I'll get there soon. I am going on a trip though. So if you see me in this outfit more than once, I'm trying to make some videos so that I don't skip any while I'm gone. I can have something out for you guys every day. Alright, I can't get that back in there right now, but anyways. Let's see what else I have. Cushy Double Effect Makeup Remover. I actually need some makeup remover. I am all out. It's cleansing and calming, it says. Let's see. It is a full size and it's worth $10. Specifically formulated for waterproof and long-lasting makeup, this makeup remover won't leave you greasy. Rich in soft, effective oils. Glossies with sensitive eyes and contacts will love this non-irritant formula. So that's good. Let's see what it smells like. It just smells like cleanser, but that's okay. All right. Next up is by 417 Time Control Firming Radiant Mud Mask. And where is this one at? Oh, there it is. Minus 417 Firming Radiant Mud Mask. The featured size is 20 ml and a full size it cost you $39. This dual action 2-in-1 exfoliating nourishing mud mask is based on a unique blend of rich Dead Sea mud that deeply cleanses skin, absorbs excess oil and all traces of impurities. So while your skin is gently exfoliated, your skin's dead cells are buffed away and your fresh skin is nourished. Don't want to use your hand? Grab a mask applicator or cloth. Just smoothly apply mud mask with even distribution. So, and this one does have safety seal, so I won't open it right now. But this might be kind of nice to take on my trip to use. But there's the bottle again. All right, then next up I have something by Belle Pierre. And let's see what this says. Pro Concealer Palette. It is a full size. That's nice. So we got 2 full-size products in this month's box, and it says the value is $50. $50. Ooh. Color correcting is a well-known makeup artist's tactic to banish imperfections through use of colors that cancel each other out. And with this palette of color correcting concealer, you can say goodbye to imperfections till your nighttime routine. If you don't know which color to use, that's fine. This palette has a color corrector wheel to help you figure out the perfect opposite to discoloration and blemishes. So let's open this up and just see. It's a sleek little package. I like that. That's what it looks like. And it says it. Like, I didn't do that, so I don't know. It got messed up somewhere, but that's okay. It looks okay. I don't see any fingerprints or anything, but that's nice. That's nice. I do use a color corrector. Sometimes I don't always, but every once in a while I will use one. All right, and then the last but not least thing is this little cute guy in here. It looks like a macaron, and it's a lip balm. And it says, it may not be a real macaron, but this cute lip balm is still quite a treat. Shaped like the confection that's perfect for a rainy day in. This combo of vitamins and fruit extracts will keep your lips soft and sweet. for any occasion. And oh my gosh, this is a full size too, of course. And it's worth $10. So let's open up this little guy. I love macarons. They are like my favorite cookie in the whole world. I love them. I don't get them very often, but so this is what it looks like. It's so cute. And when I open it up, it's still got that green lip balm color. I do have, ooh, that feels nice. I have lip color on, so I won't put it on there, but I'll just put a little on my hand. It feels pretty good. So, and I love the packaging. The packaging is so adorable. Cute. Okay, so quick recap. For $21, we got 3 full-size items in this box this month. What a great month for me to come back. We got a full-size lip balm, which was worth $10, I believe it said. I think, is that what it said? Yeah, $10. We got the full-size color-correcting Bella Pierre palette, which says it's worth $50. So there's $60. And then we got the makeup remover, which is $10 as well. It's full size, and that's $70. And even if you were to have paid full price for this box, $21, and I got $70 worth of full size products in here. So I am very happy about this box, and I can't wait to try the makeup remover and let y'all know how it is, and the skincare. So let me know in the comments what you guys thought of this box this month. Do you want to try Glossybox for yourself? If you do, once again, I'll leave the link in the description. So I think it saves 10%, maybe 20%. But anyways, if you're brand new to my channel, welcome. I hope that you enjoyed this video and you'll stick around for a while. And if you are a tried and true subscriber, thanks for being my friend and always sticking around and hanging out with me. Have a good day. Bye.